shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, turn around, chicken makdo, head, shoulders, knees, toes, at kapag sinabi po ni Ate Akisha ng shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, turn around, head, shoulders, knees, toes, turn around, get that back, go! Okay, congratulations po. Team boys or team girl? Okay, since ang sinisigaw ng sino pong team leader natin dito? Dito po tayo sa grabe naman yung tulak. Team boys sa gilid po muna tayo. Okay. Team Chase, yell starts in 3, 2, 1, go! We are Team Chase! Sit! Go! Sit! H! A! S! E! Team Chase! Grabe, napaka-unique!
Pinaghandaan ko
Yes.
wala mga
Okay, sino pong team leader natin dito?
Ayan, kanina sir.
Parang... Okay. Okay.
No.
Ano pong team name natin?
We are the Team Zero!
Sabi na eh. Okay. Team Zero yell starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3. Team Zero!
Wala yun,
Ay! Kanina. Hindi na pag-isipan yung team. Grabe
Apo. At dahil dyan, hindi pa tayo tapos. Pipila po tayo dito, Team Girls, at tayo dito. Okay? Ang game na po na ito ay tinatawag natin Makdo Relay. Kung saan ilalagay po natin yung balloon sa pagitan ng ating mga
Galing niyo po
babasa po
dulo.
hanggang sa pinakadulong player.
And
Ayan. The relay starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Grabe kanya-kanyang strategy dito. Okay, kapag 1, 2, 3, go! Pasa!
Pasa pa ilalim.
Pasa pa ilalim. Grabe
Pasa
ang
pa
bilis
ilalim.
ng
Pasa
Team
pa
Gyro.
itaas. Second player, go!
Player go! Sobrang bilis ng Team Gyro. Kaya mo po.
1, 2, 3, go! Pasa pa ilalim.
Pasa pa ilalim. 1, 2, 3, kaya but go pasa!
Go! Next player.
Grabe, sobrang bilis ng
1, 2,
Team
3,
Gyro.
go!
Go team!
1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Kebot po. 1, 2, 3, kebot. Go pasa!
Go!
1, 2, 3, go pasa! Go pares, last to last one. Okay, kebot. 1, 2, 3, go. Spell NCDO. NCDO! Puta! Team name! Team name! Grabe, sobrang magaling sa dalawang etong mga. A good boy. Always be careful to God. Remember, mommy and daddy always love you. And daddy always have your back. Okay, I love you, baby.
All mommy's prayers, that's also mommy's prayer. That keeps you always safe, keeps you a good boy, and always Daddy. We want you to be a good boy more than a smart boy. Okay? Remember that. We love you so much.
Picture po.
Photo opportunity na po.
Ready? One more. Walk. Zero.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga celebrations. Ayan.
Guys, where are you?
May we invite everyone po to please stand up dahil kakantahan po natin ang happy birthday.
Dad, this is time. Sabi mo higa.
Okay, let's all stand up po.
Hey, stand up daw.
Okay, now let's sing a happy birthday to James. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, Filipino version. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Okay, sabay-sabay po natin batiin ng malakas na happy birthday si Zero Chase in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Zero Chase! Okay, palakpakan na lang po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Okay, Zero Chase, I want you to close your eyes. Make a wish and blow your candle. Okay? Ayan, photo opportunity na lang po. Mommy, Daddy, and your choice together with our McDonald's character. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Hey, walk.
Lucky! McDonald's pose! 1, 2, 3, smile! Ayan po.
Dali na po.
Yung mga gusto pong magpa-picture sa ating McDonald's character, proceed na lamang po dito sa harapan. Smile!
One more.
Okay, one more, Lucky! 1, 2, 3, smile! McDonald's pose! 1, 2, 3, smile!
Smallest one.
Oh, you read.
Okay. From Danta.
Danny B. That's from Kuya Danny Boy.
Okay, so now let's look at
Wow, naka small chessboard. Ano ko lang, kasama yung ano natin.
another
Stand.
chessboard.
Para nakagalaw ka din.
At least you can bring that in the car when we go somewhere. Okay, you say thank you, Kuya Danny Boy.
Thank you. I'm just going to try this later.
Yep, try that
Never mind,
later.
I'm putting trash.
It's okay. Mommy's just gonna clean up later.
Now, I'm going to take this one next.
Okay.
It says to Luna.
Anong to Luna?
Happy birthday, Gerald Luna.
From Luna.
From Luna. Okay, let's start opening it. Ah! Ah!
Hindi.
No.
Holder, para di ka mahirapan.
Wow!
Why I'm not building?
Wow.
It's
that's
a building block. You say thank you, Luna.
Thank you. I wonder why seriously balls were here. They're all over the place.
Okay, next.
I'll open this one.
That's
Okay.
from?
That's Nathaniel.
That's from Nathaniel.
Let me just.
Hey, don't do that.
Baka mo, ano na.
And now let's open. Should I open it aggressively?
No, carefully. Not aggressively. You might break it.
What's this?
Go.
What are you opening? Go.
There.
Tear it.
Tear it. Start from the top. Wow!
Teddy bear.
Wow. I think that's a
Is it a capybara?
capybara.
Is it?
It's a.
Bear? Wow, that's so cute.
It's a bear.
Okay, you say thank you, Nathaniel.
Thank you, Nathaniel. I'm just going to put him here until the top so he won't get dirty on the floor all the way.
Oh, you ano muna
You
the
read,
name.
you read.
This says
The other side.
it's a mail to Jero Chase. Happy 7th birthday from Dela Cruz.
Oh, that's
It's
from
closed.
Daddy's birthday. Birthday. Best friend. Oh,
It's closed.
it's the same with what you got last year, but this time it's
Bigger.
color brown.
Wow.
Closer in
You say
front.
thank you.
Thank you. Closer in the front.
Mm-mm. Uy, who's that
Hey,
from? Who's that from?
first? Who's that from? You
Who's
read
that
first.
from?
It says to Jero Chase. Happy birthday, Amara.
Oh, that's from Amara. Wow.
Wow. I think that's the top.
It's a Pokemon set. Top.
Wow.
We can battle. Pokemon battle it.
Wow.
I'm so surprised. Yeah.
Yung mami ni Amara, tinanong pa ako kung anong gusto ni Chase.
Ang
You
sweet.
say thank you.
Thank you. This is so cool. Let's see what else. Let's see. Here are the instructions, the availables, the other availables. So Charmander, Gengar, Squirtle, and Eevee,
And what
Where's
did you got?
Pikachu, and Bulbasaur. It's already in front of the set.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I'm sure that Bulbasaur always wins because ground types are strong to electric.
Okay.
Now this is an open piece. Now here's Steven's space.
Who's that from? Who gave you that?
Where was
You don't remember?
don't even see the name. Where's the name?
There's no name.
Yeah.
You just say thank you po.
Thank you. Something for girls, seriously.
We can give that to Ate Wian. Oh, you move on na muna. Next muna, next.
Pencils, straw, cutout, some stickers, a whistle, and some kind of delivered with happy birthday days to Cash from Mommy
Cynthia.
Cynthia.
Careful na ka kasi it's stapleware.
Open it and open.
Oh,
For
Johnson's
babies.
products.
It's
I-
baby.
That's Johnson's products. Okay.
It's a Veno baby.
Aveeno.
Ano mo?
Aveeno Benadryl.
Here's. It spelled zero wrong.
Who's that?
Zero.
Giro. From Niana. Okay.
Okay, so. Clothing again? Seriously?
Eh, you have to be thankful for
Hey,
whatever.
always be thankful, right?
Oh, wow.
you.
But it's a pajama set. You don't have that one.
Thank
Shoes.
you. Let's see this one. Happy birthday, Chiro Cheese from Ate Aya, Pero, Tita Ding, Mommy, San. We love you. So this is my favorite cousin's gift. So it's clothing again. I'm tired of fucking clothing.
Hey,
But I still
what did I say? You will still say?
thank you.
That one. You read muna.
It says to Jiro from Maytan. It's my friend. It's my classmate. Again,
No, I think it's a different one. You open it. There's something inside. What's it?
it's just
Pajama.
Halloween costume.
Anong Halloween costume?
Look, there's bones.
Yeah, it's a jacket. There's
It's
a
a
heart.
it's a cool
Sweater.
sweater.
See?
It's like it's an X-ray t-shirt.
Yeah, it's an X-ray. See? You don't have that one, right? Oh, go.
Yeah.
Next.
The big one from Ate Kai. That one.
The red one, the red
I
one.
said I'm going to open it the last.
Ah,
Oh.
I already know this one.
okay.
Now let's open this.
Hey, you face
Face.
us.
Let's
You
open.
read.
Or read it first.
It says, to Chase, happy birthday from Ate Aya.
Ate Aya
Ate
again?
Aya's a different.
Ate
Iya.
Ate Iya.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Is it?
So this is kind of difficult. Now, there we go. I got.
What? What is it? Wow!
Show me, show me, show me.
It's
Show me.
another bag.
Wow!
No, it's not. Show it, Talay. Show it. Hey, show it.
So, picture will take a. Daddy will take a picture of you.
Show me. 1, 2, 3, smile. Hey.
Everything that's Pokemon will need to be picked.
No.
Next.
So now I'm opening this one. It says from Atamisa.
Oh, that's from Ate Misa.
Another Pokemon?
Is it? Wow!
Why do I keep
What's that one?
Let me see.
it's another top.
It's a top.
Again.
Sorry.
Who's the character?
It's
It's a Pikachu.
Again.
You can fight Pikachu versus Pikachu right now. Later.
Later,
Go na, later.
Or maybe
Tag.
it says happy birthday cheese from Kuya Zian and
Mami Cynthia's grandsons.
Now I'm opening it.
Go. Good job. That's it.
Careful, ah. Wow, baby products.
No, there's something else. No, get that one. Careful, careful with the zipper wires. Oh, you have a new pillow for the car.
You can put that in the car. What is it?
And it's a course.
Cars?
With a
Wait.
short end.
Sando.
Sando.
Okay.
Nice. It's a nice
so
one.
puffy.
Yep.
Okay.
So you can sleep in the car.
No more?
So now let's see this one.
Yan ating babasagin. Kay Mami CM ba yan galing?
Please careful, careful. Careful with that one.
That's from CM.
Thank you, CM.
Oh, it's a set.
I think it's glowing. It's gonna glow if you write something on it.
And I wonder if it's color. If
Let me see. Oh,
First, who's that from?
happiest 7th birthday, Chase Jiro Roy.
Ah, that's from Roy.
And
ano pa ganun?
it says rock.
Huh?
It's a truck.
It's a truck.
Yeah, but
Wait lang, baby. Wait.
But I'm so thankful with that. But I still have no idea why it's doing.
Show it to mommy. Wow.
It's just an 8-ball.
Yeah, we can play.
Okay. Next.
Okay,
Remote yan. Hindi gusto ko bilhin sa kanya kaso
Heavier.
hindi pasok sa budget.
Okay, so there's literally no name here.
Are you sure?
I can't even
Ano kayo ng dating?
Go, use your strength. Yung books.
Ay, wow! Who gave that?
Hinahanap ko rin siya nagbigay. Careful, Chase, careful. That's a
Oh my
full set of a
God!
book.
I wanted to buy you that one. It's a new set of book, like the Dr.
Dr.
Seuss. But that's very complete. Oh, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Who's that from? Ay, kila Jinky siguro. Oo, wala pang ano si Jinky.
Ano mga G?
It's literally stuck and just come out.
Because it's heavy.
Wow! Mommy's gonna read too.
Panood ko na yan.
Wow.
I watched this before.
Yeah, I also watched that one.
Oh no, we can read. Oh, last one.
Wait.
The reserved one. Read it.
It says on.
There's a card in front.
The other side.
It says from Atekai.
Yay! Open it.
Make sure it's something like a Pokemon. What's the door locked?
Wait.
No idea how do I open this thing.
Use your strength. Use your strength. Use your strength.
I'm removing the tape. That's easier than I thought, but oh,
Now go.
I broke.
Rip it na.
Here it is.
Rip it,
and-
rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it.
and two.
Careful, careful.
Wow!
And that one is?
Slime!
Slime board.
Don't eat
That's
that.
donut
That's the
slime. That's donut slime.
And this is it's tennis.
Yay! Naman to. Are you happy?
Yes.
Did you have fun with your birthday?
Yes.
What do you want to say to mommy and daddy?
Thank you. I'm just going to.
Just thank you. No, I love yous.
I love you too.